How to make drum rolling buildups for big drops in Logic Pro X super fast. This is another area where note repeat, in my instance it's Control 1, comes in handy, where I can roll things based on my mod wheel.
Round you go, spinning on the pole. I'm losing control, I'm losing control. Round and round I go, losing all control. You got me getting tipsy, I'm taking you home with me. Round and round you go.
So now I'll do the same thing, duplicate this layer, do the same thing with a snare.
Round and round you go, spinning on the pole. I'm losing control, I'm losing control. Round and round I go, losing all control. You got me getting tipsy, I'm taking you home with me. Round and round you go.
And now we can take those two and pitch shift them up over time. We can take those two and EQ them in slowly, maybe with a single pass EQ, so we're bringing it in slowly that way. We can pitch shift it, going lower to higher in notes. I'm going to stop there. Don't need to automate anymore, but I just showed you guys a lot of ways to build up risers and falls in the previous tutorial, and now doing the same with actual drums in this tutorial for the buildup part. And that covers how to create great buildups fast using note repeat as a hack in Logic Pro X. Next lesson.